In the heart of ancient Greece, where the sun casts long shadows over the rugged hills of Laconia, a legend is forged. The air is thick with the scent of olive groves and the fierce spirit of a warrior society. This is Sparta, a land of unmatched valor and unwavering loyalty, where every man is trained from childhood to embrace the sword and shield as extensions of his very being. At the center of this tumultuous realm stands Leonidas, king of the Spartans, a man whose heart beats for his people and whose sword thirsts for glory. As Persia amasses its forces, a dark cloud of conflict looms, threatening to engulf Greece in chaos. Leonidas must rally his men, igniting the flames of courage against an empire bent on conquest. The stakes are monumental. If Leonidas fails, not just Sparta, but all of Greece will fall to the might of Xerxes. Yet betrayal simmers among the ranks. A traitor whispers promises of power in the shadows, threatening to unravel the very fabric of Spartan unity. As the battle approaches, the tension rises like the heat of a forge. In the heart of battle, amidst the clash of steel and the cries of warriors, Leonidas and his men stand resolute. The twist unfolds as the traitor's plan backfires, igniting a fierce loyalty among the Spartans. They fight not just for survival, but for their legacy, proving that true strength lies in unity and sacrifice. Though the cost is high, the valor displayed by Leonidas and his warriors becomes the stuff of legends, echoing through the ages. The lesson of their sacrifice teaches us that freedom is worth fighting for, and that the spirit of a civilization can never be extinguished, even in the face of overwhelming odds.